Hello and welcome everyone. If you're new to this channel, then my name is Amit Patel and you are watching Musings with Software Engineers. Is Salesforce good for fresher? See, Salesforce is the first cloud application, okay, what we call as software as a service. The market for software as a service is 40%. Out of all the cloud skills, there is infrastructure as service, there is platform as service, and then there is software as service. So infrastructure as service takes up 30% of market, platform as service takes up 30% of market, rest of the 40% of the market is of software as a service. Correct? And Salesforce is the first software or the first company which is a SaaS application, software as a service application. Is it good for fresher or not? If you join Salesforce or you join any team which is working on Salesforce application, okay, in any capacity, then you will have a brand label, one of having worked on a SaaS application, second having worked on Salesforce, which is the number one CRM, which stands for customer relationship management software, and another one for working on an application which is the first cloud application, right? So these three things will get done if you go for Salesforce. And right in the beginning, I told you that cloud skills, anything that you do in cloud skills is going to be valuable from 2021 to 2025. You have a chance to raise your income to a very high level if you are working on the cloud skill. Okay, so Salesforce is a very good opportunity. If you are getting it, then it's a very good opportunity for you. Hey, if you are a software engineer over 25, if your salary is not to your expectation, then you should listen. Most companies are using a system to decide your salary. These companies divide engineers into A players, B players, and C players. What if you become an A player? If you become an A players get raises that are 2 or 3 times B players. Click the learn more button to know more about how to become an A player in your company. All of you who are still watching this video, like this video and subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. I do this live session on every Thursday at 9:05 p.m. If you are interested in how to become an A player, then in the description of this video you will find a link. Okay, thank you very much.